mushrooms.
I want Mario.
Technically, this.
That's not a toad.
The little mushrooms.
Damn it.
That's racist. Oh.
What?
Thank.
Bye, Mage.
Get me back in the water. Now.
Get in the water.
Poseidon disappears out of nowhere. Why are you here? This isn't the ocean.
If he shows up,
I
you better be naked.
What?
No, that's more of Hephaestus. No, I think Hephaestus naked is better.
I'm gonna cut all that out.
Can you blame me? He looks handsome as fuck. And plus,
Hephaestus is the weapons god.
probably that's why he has a big weapon down there.
Okay then.
Mage is knocking up this video in the video.
I'll mostly edit a lot.
You're gonna need more than just editing that part. I don't know what you need.
Not anymore.
X is just telling his deepest desires to the fans. We got Christina who says the wrong words, and then we got X saying this shit. Oh, that's a quote.
Never more, motherfucker!
Hephaestus is essentially ugly. Hephaestus is ugly because of his disability, but he is actually pretty handsome.
I just hit X.
Alright then.
Killing me, thank you.
How to get a video game in 5 minutes! Oh god, voice crack.
I smell cinnamon.
What about cinnamon?
I smell it.
I have no idea.
Hey, what do you think about Hades?
I'm not kidding.
He's chill.
What?
He's chill, I said.
Yeah, he's chill.
You motherfucker.
Like, all he does is paperwork. Like, all he does is just
Now that I think about it, yeah, technically he does just do the paperwork.
Yeah, then there's the actual god of
Welcome to the
of
welcome
death.
to the underworld. Welcome to the underworld. So and so will help you right there.
She's just so
Damn it,
tired. She's just so tired.
Fuck y'all.
Tired of.
Fuck y'all.
Temple. Or candy.
Fuck.
Damn it!
These.
This isn't candy or a
It's
temple.
freaking Ozzy
This is
Steel
madness.
Factory.
Honestly, Rainbow Factory better.
Don't ever say that.
Oh yeah, that brings back memories. Rainbow Factory, not Rainbow Road.
I know, but it's still nice. I mean, that'll
Honestly, I love Rainbow Factory. Like, come on. Rainbow Factory was really good.
You motherfucker.
It was better than Rainbow Road. Thank you. Shit. Anyways.
Here you go.
I have a shield!
Aww.
Why did I do that?
Good job.
Thank you for
midget.
nuking yourself.
No. Stay back there.
That
Get
dick
the fuck
sucking
out
rat.
of my way, you.
What was that laugh?
I think Yumi's far
I
behind.
think you.
Fuck you, you midgies!
Hi.
Here you go.
Fuck you, you.
Bye bye,
Look how you
bitches.
got cut off as soon as you were about to say that.
You fat nugget, stole my bubble!
No, no, no.
Yeah, yeah.
Fuck your balls! That's what you get! Suck it!
Yay! Forgot that it's mirrored. Shit.
Wait, where's Bowser's dildos?
Ah, you.
Are you trying to get us canceled?
You say it like we are all
God, it's mirrored, so it's about to go the other way.
Honestly, I need to learn how to record on VR chat.
That's actually pretty easy.
It's not that complex. I don't know why people think it is. You don't even need any device.
No, I mean like. No, I mean
you
like
want-
third person.
Oh, simple.
Oh, that's your face mirror.
Face me, just have it follow you from focus.
No, I mean like the
Meg.
camera with third person.
Yeah,
that's what we're talking
how
about.
you do it.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
X is like acting like what lying to him. He's like, am I falling for stuff? Oh my gosh.
No. Been doing this for about a year or two.
Like, you have not been doing the chat content for a year.
Technically, I have. We've been together 2 years, so technically, yes.
And how often do you pause? Oh wait.
Give me a shield! Give me a shield!
You motherfucker.
Off I go.
You're welcome. Hey, mate.
I see
Here you
your
go.
brain cells are fighting for 3rd place.
Oh shit, my face
You
bounced
fucking
down.
fat boy!
What did you just say?
Fuck you, ass!
Come on, come on, come on,
Oh,
come on,
you-
come on, come on, come on, no!
So eat on the bubble, you fat nugget!
Yes.
Fuck off,
Yes,
Max! Where am I going?
I know, Mom. We're recording.
It's just Mom. Please kill me.
No, please kill me first.
This is Mom. Please help me. I'm on my knees. Please save
Why
me. The
is there
guy's
so many
dick back here.
turns? Why the fuck is there so many turns?
Welcome to Pyro Peak. AKA my second home.
It's gay as fuck.
Bowser's Dungeon. Where's his mom? Can you tell Mage to stop being a meme?
And I win! Hee hee.
Me, me.
We'll see.
Says falling
My
without
head
bike.
stuck in my shoulders. Oh well. Donald in the house.
Why does all the... Oh, never mind. You're welcome, Mage.
Thank you.
You're welcome, love.
Thank you, I guess. How are you? Take that. Have a gift.
I took both. Sorry, Mage.
Cloud. Bye. No, it showed I had more. It showed I had more speed.
Have fun being
nice.
I got
stuck.
stuck. I almost got stuck. You didn't catch me. Ha 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 ha. Oh, my nose itches.
Yes, bitch, a crap. Oh wait, I'm a clown.
What did you just? Did he say the crab? Did he just say the crab?
Nah, I got a lobster.
Hey, I'm happy we're recording now. What the fuck was that, love? You sound
I
like
was trying to do a Mr.
you sound
Crab
like
laugh.
You sound like Foxy from FNAF having a
I was
mental
trying to do
breakdown.
Mr. Crab. Oh my god, the lag saved me from dying to that. I'm not kidding, the lag actually saved me.
Why am I double playlist?
Crown, man.
What? X?
Crown bitch. He said crown bitch.
I
That's what I
thought you
heard.
said what, bitch? I was gonna say what?
Say what? I'm kidding.
Hey, Mage.
I go. No.
Oh, you motherfucker.
Hey, Mage. Hey, Mage. Hey, Mage. Hey, Mage.
No.
Hey, Mage.
No.
Hey, Mage. Hey, Mage. No, you fucking bitch! Hunt!
Actually, how cold was the water?
Just never quite be